was shattering the silence. So we were cowards.
The song is too good.
No lie in the fire, and I'll be refined.
The girls are back. Yeah.
What it sounds like, but I end up in
Come on, man. Come back to the good team. You can do it. Come on. It's never too late. Just when you think you've done too many bad actions or blah, 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 whatever, you can always come back.
Your voices cannot defeat.
Oh, so you don't even come as a standard form. You just got to fight that. You got to help. Sing, buddy. Sing. Use that luscious voice. Oh, I love him. Obsessed.
Jinu.
No, don't die, though.
I'm sorry
No.
for everything.
I'll actually cry. Why is that sad? Stop. No, no, no.
I wanted to set you free.
You did. You gave me my soul back.
I swear to God, why is that sad? No!
And now, I give it to you.
What? Does that mean he's dead? What is... That's so sad. Well, we got a sick sword now. What? Bring him back. I did not expect to get emotional over him. Well, I did. He's very gorgeous, but I just want to be him, really.
You're just my type. Oh well. No more.
The thing is that abs aren't sexy on their own, right? I think everyone kind of knows that. If a guy is just the worst, no amount of abs can save him. Like, if you're into someone, the abs don't really make a difference. I mean, it helps.
This is what it sounds like. This is what it sounds like.
Hell yeah, girls.
What it sounds like.
Sorry, but this song has put me in such a good mood now. I mean, I'm still crying for that guy dying, but it's so good. I gotta tell everyone I know to watch this, and they'll be like, K-pop, I'm not watching that. Watch it, alright? It's gangster.
We love you, Andre.
Fake fans, fake fans. But do you relate? Do you relate on that soul level to what they're singing about? Because I do. Too many people talk about, you gotta be perfect all the time. We're not, and that is perfect. That is perfect. What do you think we're here for? We'd be born perfect you're meant to be, alright? Even though it is perfect to not be. It's a bit of a strange one.
Let go of your shame. Yes.
Moon. Yeah, that's just the truth. Okay, Rumi's voice actor. She's the best in this
Beautiful.
movie, dude. She's stand out.
Oh.
I love the music as a power. My God. Perfect harmonizing
Stop
with
this
3 spots.
song.
Oh my God. Oh. Ooh.
So, oh yeah, I'm the manager.
Soul's coming back. Oh.
This is good.
So good. Oh.
This needs to be like a musical, like
Yeah.
on stage.
Yeah.
Your voices cannot defeat.
Oh my God, he had too many souls.
Ooh.
Beam struggle?
Come on,
Jin, you get your bitch ass out there.
live your truth now.
Oh, Jinu.
He blocked it.
I'm sorry for everything.
No, I want us to be together.
This handsome boy's gonna die in the fire.
You gave me my soul back.
Oh.
Damn it.
No!
Now, I give it to you.
Oh.
Tragic lovers.
No.
Oh, damn.
Give us your energy, Spirit Bomb.
Spirit bomb.
You did. You did.
Oh, you recovered it all. Nah.
Damn. Yeah, y'all all acted crazy.
Bro, they're just like, guess we have been at this free concert all day. So,
Yeah. The sun is
Every
out.
day. It's concert tomorrow. It's concert the day after that too.
We just live at the concert. Oh.
See?
How many shirts?
He's just wearing a shirt on top of a shirt.
You could keep the other shirts, they're vintage. Completely go away. But,
Nothing but the truth now. Nothing but the proof of what I am. The worst of what I came from. Patterns I'm ashamed of.
This is the song.
Understand, I try to fix it. I try to fight it.
Uh-huh.
My heart divided, my lies all collided.
That's right. Come in with that harmony, ladies. You see it.
I broke into a million pieces and I can't go back. But now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass.
Ooh.
My voice without the lies. This is what it sounds
It's like.
Show me what's underneath. I'll find your harmony.
There we go.
Stop the song!
No. Don't stop it. Let's go.
We listen to the demons. We let them get between us.
Uh-huh.
So we were liars. So we're not heroes. We're still survivors.
yeah.
So cool.
Right here by your side.
Oh, wow.
Now we're seeing all the beauty
In the broken glass.
fearless and undefined. This is what it
Sounds like. Ah, yeah.
Come on, man. I hope you're fighting back.
Defeat!
Ooh, you. Yeah, maybe it can, brah. Cause she's part demon. So.
Yeah, she can.
Yeah,
embrace her
she
demon
can.
And use it.
Yeah. That's
Come on,
come on, you got it. You come on, Ruby.
Come on, get in there.
Help her, brah. What? Oh.
Jinu, no.
I'm sorry for everything.
What a great parallel shot from when he saw his mom and sister looking down.
Yeah.
You gave me my soul back.
It's like the same POV of when he lost his soul when that moment happened.
And now, I give it to you.
There's that blue. That's what we were looking for. Yeah, you got this, girl.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Here we go. There we go. Oh, God, it's so beautiful. That's just gorgeous.
You're just my type.
No more.
I love that they cry popcorn. Like.
Part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without
This is what it sounds like.
Yeah.
me, what's underneath. I'll find your harmony. Fearless and
This is what it sounds like.
fearless and
Yes, there
Oh,
we go.
wow. Beautiful.
Our voices all combined. When darkness meets the light.
This is
This
so
is
moving.
what it sounds like. He had it on underneath.
I love my girls.
Aw. The world as it should be. Aw.
Nothing but the truth now. The worst of what I came from. Patterns I'm ashamed of.
Wow, it's coming from the heart now.
I tried to fight it. My head was twisted.
Shining blue now.
Yeah.
I don't know why I didn't trust you to be on my side.
Oh.
She's singing to them.
Yeah.
My voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like.
Wow, it sounds beautiful.
Stuck inside my head. I should have let the jagged edges meet.
They sound incredible
Wow.
together. So satisfying.
Yeah.
This is what it sounds like.
Dude, I have
Let's go.
goosebumps. Oh my god.
But none of us are out here on our
Exactly.
Dude, look. They're getting affected by them.
Because it's coming from an honest place. It's real. It's way more powerful.
I'll be right here by your side.
Aww. Whoa, immediately starts rebuilding the Han Moon.
The broken glass,
wow.
the scars are part of me. Darkness and harmony.
Yeah,
Come
it's
on,
affecting
man.
him, man.
Yeah.
Snap out of it, dude. That's Bay, man. Come on.
Do it for Bay.
This is what it sounds like.
Whoa, yep. They're getting sent back to their realm. It's working. Dude, the colors is...
Defeat.
Oh my god.
Whoa!
No! Rumi!
She's
Come
getting...
on, come on.
She needs backup, guys. Come on.
Oh, dude, she's pulling all her might into it. Come on, Ginu.
Just holding on. Oh, he's taking the blast for her.
Jinu, no.
I'm sorry for everything.
Oh, no.
I wanted to set you free.
You did. You gave me my soul back.
Wow. She helped him out.
No.
And now, I give it to you.
Wow.
Wow.
He sacrificed himself for her. Whoa.
Oh, dude. Yeah, take him down. Ooh.
One swift move. Yeah, now she's got all the motivation she needs.
Yeah.
Oh, the power of the fans.
They're all joining her in on this. Look at that.
Dude, look at the colors. This movie is beautiful.
It's stunning. Wow.
You're just my type. Oh well.
Oh well.
Yeah. Snap out of it.
But now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass.
Look at the girls
dude,
go.
They're amazing. This is so powerful. I did not expect this at all.
My voice without the lies.
Yeah.
This is what it sounds
It's gonna blow.
like.
Wow.
Fearless and undefeated.
Oh.
Wow.
Time. Our voices all combined.
Look at everybody. They brought the light back.
Sounds like.
They look amazing. Look at them.
Dude, the way their voices harmonize is beautiful. Like, I have goosebumps.
I love my girls.
Aww. I'm so happy for her. She can finally be who she
Herself,
is,
yeah.
100%, unapologetically.
Yeah.
Nothing but the truth.
Oh my god. Blue.
Rainbow. Oof.
I try to fix it. I
Oh,
try to fight it. My head was twisted.
you feel it.
My life all collided.
I like how they were the first ones.
Yeah.
Trust you to be on my side.
Oh,
Oh.
the lyrics.
Yeah.
The song we couldn't write. This is what it sounds like.
Oh my god.
Stop the song.
No.
Nice try.
Oh my gosh. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let them see. That's right. We're something else now.
That's right. Reach him.
Come on.
Your voices cannot defeat.
Woo! Watch me. Okay, Jin. Where you at, J-Boy?
Come on.
J-Dog.
Join in.
J-Dog.
What? Ah. Damn. Okay. Hey, what's up?
Jinu.
You strong.
I'm sorry for everything.
No. I wanted to set you free.
Let me save you.
Yeah.
You gave me my soul back.
Really?
Okay, so can you stay or like?
Yeah, can you like?
Oh, wait.
I give it to you.
Oh, what the?
What?
Oh, what the ultimate gesture?
Whoa!
Upgrade.
We leveled up.
Whoa.
He was 400 years older than you anyway.
Okay, you know, true.
You know,
but dang.
Yay!
Now he lives in her sword.
Run! Goodbye, mystery.
Time for a hug.
You're just my type.
Oh well. Oh, both of them. Ooh.
Oh, the Ajumas! Everybody! Hunter X and Saja boys, we combine! Cry.
Gold. We
Cry.
got rainbow. That's all we need.
Yeah.
Luminescent. That's what we got.
And now she can show herself to the world and her friends.
Feel the love.
Yeah. I really want to know who her dad is, though.
Right?
She's overpowering them.
The girls are gonna join in.
This is a freestyle from them.
Yeah.
When did they rehearse this?
I was just thinking that. Keep going. Oh shit. This is so sick.
Bobby's back.
It's all over now.
Oh, that's nice. Cute as.
Screw you, Celine.
What a letdown Celine was.
Going on. Oh no. Is it powering Guinam? Guimar? Guimar.
It's the wrong show, Carlie. It's the wrong Netflix show.
That's terrifying. He's gonna help. He's gonna help. I knew it. Oh no, it's giving sacrifice.
It is.
I'm sorry.
Oh no.
No, I wanted to set you free.
We're gonna see what really happened with his memories now.
You gave me my soul back.
They better play Soda Pop at his funeral. That's enough now. No, I'm sorry, that's my bad. That's enough. Oh, that's cute though.
That's so sweet.
And it's gonna get rid of her patterns or whatever.
No,
isn't
no.
it?
I think she's accepted the patterns.
Yeah, okay, no, you're right. Wow.
Oh no. All the souls.
But the remix is so cool, man. And the colours and all that.
Yeah.
They just got a huge power up. Oh shit. Yeah, she's had enough. Screw the abs, damn it. Mate look like Ken.
They all looked like Ken. Oh.
Dang.
The bros.
It's like Sailor Moon, man. The bros, yeah. Still front row.
Dude!
So good.
The lyrics.
Mm-hmm. What's gonna happen?
Voices cannot defeat it.
Looks like a frog. Oh. Do something, Juno. Dang.
I'm sorry for everything.
Wait, is he gonna die? Ooh.
The whole crowd.
Yeah. He has so many shirt changes.
Dude.
Wait, but Juno.
Yeah, I wonder, are they gone?
Oh, blue.
Cool, they're all coming back together.
Yeah.
God, they're so good at singing.
Mm-hmm.
I want to know who they are.
Stop the song!
Oh.
Okay.
Here we go. Yes.
Reunited.
The power walk.
Yep. You like walk.
Keep your head steady. Like a supermodel walk.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Sucking them back.
Your voices cannot defeat it.
Use your voice.
Come on, fight it.
Beat him.
Shoot, she doesn't have the power. Come on, get in there. Help her. Oh, he's blocking it.
Jinu, no.
I'm sorry for everything.
Yes.
I wanted to set you free.
You did. You gave me my soul back.
Oh.
Oh, damn.
And now, I give it to you.
Oh. Power her up.
Okay.
Whoa.
Sharper sword? Like, damn. It looks like Kirito.
It hurt him.
Remember Kirito?
Yeah, Kirito. Demon Slayer? Wait, what are you talking
yeah,
about?
I think so.
Come on, you gotta do it. This is what it sounds like. Oh. What it sounds like.
Okay, Abby, you're out of here. Okay.
Yeah, everyone's doing it. Sounds
I can't get over how the hair looks.
Yeah. Different textures. Yeah, he's
Yeah.
dead. Yeah, the ladies,
Yeah,
old lady.
they're back.
The crying guys.
Rumi. Okay. Protected. Not golden, but protected. This guy. Such a Fairweather fan.
I love my girls.
Okay. They did it. Well done, ladies.
But the truth now.
Oh, they're turning. Oh, here comes the swarm.
Ooh.
You're not alone.
That's so awesome.
That glam is so cool. Best friends.
Oh god, I love it so much. Like her demon singing voice is, yeah.
I mean, yeah, it sounds a bit like all three of them singing in that a deep voice, a high pitched voice, and then one in the middle.
Mm-hmm. Oh no. Oh.
Jinnu, no,
I'm sorry.
no. I wanted to set you free.
You gave me my soul back. I give it to you.
Holy
Yeah.
You're just my
Popcorn eyes. Oh.
I'm definitely adding so many of these songs to my playlists.
Wow. This guy just has so many shirts.
Bro, the lyrics of these songs are perfect.
Yeah.
Like, you know what I mean? They suit the storyline so well, but still make a really good song. Like, it doesn't just, you know, you are my sisters and I love you, you know? It's just, it's really good, you know? It's well put together.
Voices cannot defeat.
Yes, they can.
Come on, stand together. Is he gonna do something about it? What you gonna do? Time is money, so don't fuck with mine. Oh, what did he do? Sacrificed himself?
Oh my god.
No.
I'm sorry for everything.
No. I wanted to set you free.
Set me free.
You did. You gave me my soul back.
No.
Is he gonna die?
It can't end that way. It's not satisfying, guys. It's a cartoon. Let's not forget.
Right? Whoa.
Shit.
Get him!
You're just my type.
That has.
Dead.
No more abs.
Son. Whoa. You're a loser.
He keeps switching.
Switching. Oh, you too. All of you are fake.
He was possessed. He was
I
possessed.
know. I'm sorry.
It's not his fault.
I forgive you.
Nothing but the truth now. Nothing but the proof.
Oh, look at her marks.
Wow.
The worst of what I came from.
Oh, that's cool.
My head was twitched.
Okay, there she goes.
There we go.
Why I didn't trust you. Be on my side.
Yeah, this song is powerful.
But now I'm seeing.
Oh, look at them glowing.
That's cool.
My voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like.
That's powerful.
The song we couldn't write. This is what it sounds.
Oh.
That sounds so cool. Oh no. That's a bunch of them.
We let them get between us.
So when did they write this song?
They're probably freestyling.
Yep. That's cool. So I guess they actually do get to see the demons though, because earlier they said that they saw one to get destroyed. So they're seeing all this. Oh.
Okay.
Good. Oh, look at their arms. At least they know now why she can't go in the bathhouse.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what's he doing?
Oh no.
Oh no. What's he doing?
Your voices
Oh.
cannot defeat.
Oh wow. Come on.
Oh. Is he gonna help?
Come on, help. Come on. Oh.
Oh.
Oh no.
I'm sorry for everything.
I think he's done.
I wanted to set you free.
You did.
Huh?
You gave me my soul back.
Oh no.
I give it to you.
Oh.
Oh wow. Oh.
Oh.
She just got a big old sword. That's a Buster sword. I kind of feel bad though. The one guy's gone. Oh wow. Oh, here we go.
You're just my type.
No, we just killed him. No abs. They don't get abs anymore.
No more abs.
No more abs. Man, the animation's incredible here. All right, this is my favorite song. I like it. I like this one. Killed it.
Oh.
Nice. So I think they're popular again.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so she still has her scar or her symbols.
I think they call them patterns.
The patterns, yeah.
I love my girl.
No.
I mean, yes, she still has them.
Yeah.
Oh.
This is what it sounds like.
Ooh.
Stop the song.
Shit.
The silence.
It's time to sing and fight. Ooh. Okay. Oh, look at her move. Perfect. But they're changing the beat as well. Okay. Boss. They're going to fight in it, yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Time to roast them up. Oh god. Oh god. Is he devouring them? Oh shh. Don't get. I would say don't get distracted, but you kind of need to help her. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Is he sacrificing himself?
Everything.
Shit.
You gave me my soul back.
Ah, fuck.
I give it to you.
Ah, I wanted them to sing together again. No. Damn. Oh. Slice him up. She connected everybody's soul. This is what it sounds like. Nah, girl, take my soul too. I can't. Hey, yo. Damn.
Man, God, what it sounds like. A million pieces and I can't go back. I'm seeing all the beauty for the broken glass. Part of me, hey, it's the harmony. This general lies, this is what I sound like. Boss! Oh my fucking God! Sorry, whoa! This is what it sounds like. What it sounds like. This is what it sounds like. Hey, this is what it sounds like. I'm not gonna lie, I missed so much of the animation, but my God. Oh man, did they bring out the golden thing? It's blue. Hey, yo. The fans going from
Nothing but the truth now of what I am. Patterns I'm ashamed of. I broke into a million pieces and I can't go back. My voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like. Did I cover up the color?
Oh.
The song we couldn't write.
Oh.
Wow. Stop the song!
No, keep going.
We're shouting in the choir.
So bad.
So we're not heroes. We're still.
Oh, this is such a sick chat.
I'll be right here by your side.
Oh.
My voice without the lies. This is what it sounds like. Fearless and undefined. This is what it
sounds like. These songs are gonna be stuck in my head for I don't know how long.
Your voices cannot defeat.
Is he gonna help Jin?
Yeah, come on, Genu. Come on. Come on.
He had a choice to make.
Oh.
I'm sorry for everything.
I wanted to set you free.
You did.
Oh.
You gave me my soul back. And now, I give it to you.
Oh my God. Maybe they can all give her power.
Oh.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Sounds like
You're just my type. Oh well.
Beauty in the broken glass. The skies are
oh, wow, they look like angels.
fearless and undefined.
This is what it sounds like.
This is what it sounds like.
Oh.
When darkness meets the light. This is what.
Oh. Oh my goodness.
It's crazy how many people go to concerts.
So, is the scar, are the demon tattoos going away or no? I mean, that's her.
That's who she is.
That's
and
who
she
she
shouldn't
is.
be ashamed.
Nothing but the proof of what I am. I try to fix it. I try to fight it. I'll find your harmony. This is what it sounds like.
And everyone probably thinks this is all.
Yeah, right. This is all part of it.
Shouting in the choir. You're not alone.
I mean, they're all standing still, so it's got they got. Oh, dude, this is part of the show.
To think the breakup, it was all a lie.
It was all a marketing scheme.
Dude, this soundtrack goes so hard.
Wow.
No, every song in this entire movie was fantastic.
Power of friendship.
It really is.
Friendship wins.
Why do we cover up the colors stuck inside our head?
Oh, and he's iffy. Sucking him back up.
Your voices.
Oh shit.
Defeat.
That's horrifying.
Holy shit.
Oh, damn.
No, this is straight up just becoming an anime right now.
defeat him with the power of friendship.
Nah, he gonna jump in. Come on, bro.
Redeem yourself.
Oh.
Jinu, no.
I'm sorry for everything.
Bro's eyes went back to normal.
You gave me my soul back, and now I give it to you.
Oh shit!
Damn, that's a way to go, bro.
Oh,
shit! What the f is this cloud buster sword?
Weapon upgraded, bro. Oh nah, they got the fans and shit in there now.
It's like y'all are so.
You're just my type. Oh well.
Oh,
damn!
Holy shit!
No more abs.
We broke into a million pieces and we can't go back. Is what it sounds like. Feel it and undefined.
Oh shit!
Wow.
Voices all combined. When darkness meets the light, this is
I think is that the tower in Seoul?
Bro, everybody's gonna be like, that was the craziest show ever, and then the next is like, what happened to the Saja Boys?
Right? Yeah, where are the Saja Boys?
Nobody
go?
has seen them since that day.
We saw Huntrix turning them into dust on stage.
How many layers you got,
Yo,
bro?
homie came prepared to the show.
Damn.
nothing but the truth now of what I am. The worst of what I came from. Patterns I'm ashamed
Here we go.
of. Things that even I don't. I broke into a million pieces. Seeing all the beauty in
Crazy. Wow.
He said, "Stop this song." Ain't no
This-
stopping
this
this
is
song, dude.
Crazy.
Yo, K-pop Demon Hunters, bro.
Better than
wow.
what I expected.
Wow, wow.
The broken
Nah, this song is fire too. Genu about to become. He about to come and like he's
In the
about to
light.
start singing. Watch, he comes to the group and starts singing too. Look, he's about to start singing with them. That's how he looks.
My soul back.
Damn.
And now,
Dang.
Yo, this movie is incredible, man. Wow.
The final boss.
She's getting everybody's soul to power
And it
up.
sounds like, hey.
Oh well. No more abs. Get the abs out of my face. Dude, this movie is fire,
And it
man.
sounds like
Wow.
you're stuck inside my
Wow.
This is what it sounds like.
Bravo. Bravo. This is one of the ones, man.
Yeah,
like
this
this
is-
movie,
this is a good one.
everybody has to watch, man. Like, bravo. Bravo.
This guy was
On
ready.
tricks. Right. Switching shirts.